This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert David. This 3-halves fixer-upper with over 1,700 square feet of living area includes a separate garage converted to a storage/workshop. The two are connected with a covered screened-in breezeway that can double as your porch, offering views of the tree-covered front yard. The home is situated on a 100 by 100 foot fenced lot close to restaurants and shopping just off CR 19 with plenty of parking for RVs or boats and no HOA. This concrete block home was built in 1972 with the roof replaced in 2018. A great opportunity for you to invest the needed TLC to make this your home. For more information, review the details below or contact Robert David at 352-552-3968.